Huzur, Abdurrahman Sahib's question is based on verse number 90 from chapter number 16, Surah An-Nahl. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Wa yawma nabasu fi kulli ummatin shahidan alayhim min anfusihim wa jina bika shahidan ala haula'i wa nazzalna alayka al-kitaba tibyanan likulli shay'in wa hudan wa rahmatan wa bushra lil muslimin. Translation is, and remember the day when we will raise up in every people a witness against them from amongst themselves, and we will bring thee as a witness against these, and we have sent down to thee the book to explain everything, and a guidance and a mercy and glad tidings to those who submit to God.
My question is, who are these haulai, and how the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam will be?
You see, the important thing, first of all, is the translation.
Yeah.
Against them or over them, because he could be witness also in their favor. So Allah could be translated as over them.
Yes.
First of all, the prophets are mentioned, aren't they? Repeat the verse.
وَيَوْمَ نَبَسُ فِي كُلِّ أُمَّةٍ شَهِيدًا عَلَيْهِمْ مِنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ وَجِئْنَا بِكَ شَهِيدًا عَلَىٰ.
Shaheed of Ummah, the first Ummahs could be translated, for example, against them. But when Rasulullah ﷺ is made a Shaheed over those Anbiya, how could that be translated as against them? So definitely this translation is defective in that much. The translation is correct, but not the meant translation of the Holy Quran, nor the intended one. It could be said correct, Allah, but Allah can be translated over, definitely not against them. So this is the subject on which I have spoken before many times. Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is a witness above all the previous prophets as well. And the proof of this is that he has spoken of all of the previous prophets to be true. And they have only spoken about him to be true. So Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's beneficence is much larger. And moreover, Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has made it a precondition for his own acceptance, that if you accept my witness about their truth, then you will have link with me. If you reject them, then you don't even accept me. So this is the universal benevolence of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It's amazing. You can't say that of other former religions. For instance, if a Jew rejects Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he still remains a Jew. According to their own teaching, he still remains a Jew. If a Christian rejects Ahmad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he still remains a Christian. But today, if a Muslim rejects Hazrat Moses, can he be a Muslim? It's the consensus of opinion. All the ulama of the world are united on this, that if he calls a previous prophet like Moses a liar, then he is a liar and he has broken his connection with Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And also this is true of Jesus Christ. So Islam's nizam-e-shahadat, the witness system, is perfect. No religion can boast of anything near it. Right? So on the day of judgment, he is the one who is going to bear witness that these prophets were good to their people and it was their people who made a fault, and so on and so forth. Please.